In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a free Make account and set up an automation with Google Drive. Make is a powerful automation tool that allows you to connect various apps and automate workflows seamlessly. To get started, head over to make.com. If you're new to Make, you'll want to sign up by creating an account. Otherwise, simply log in if you already have an existing account. Once you're inside, locate and click on the option to create a new scenario. This is where all the magic begins as you start building your workflow. Now, we're going to add Google Drive as a module. In the scenario builder, notice the plus button right in the middle of the canvas. Give it a click. A list of applications will appear and you'll want to type in Google Drive to find it quickly. Once you've located Google Drive, you'll need to select an action or trigger. This could be something like watch files to monitor new files being added, upload file to send files into Drive, or search files to find specific items in your Drive. Let's move on to the next important part, connecting your Google Drive account. As you select Google Drive, you'll be prompted to add a new connection. Click on Add, and this will open a Google login window. Enter your Google credentials to sign in. It's crucial to allow Make access to your Google Drive, so be sure to grant the necessary permissions for reading, editing, and accessing metadata. Once you've authorized, your Google Drive will appear as a connected service within Make. With your Google Drive now linked, you get to choose a trigger or action. For triggers, you might consider watch files, which will run the automation whenever a new file is added to a folder, or watch folders for new folder creations. If you're setting an action, options include upload a file to smoothly send new content to Google Drive, or search files/folders to locate specific Drive items. If you want to expand your automation by connecting another app, it's entirely possible and really enhances the workflow. Some popular examples include moving files from Google Drive to Dropbox, or creating a page in Notion whenever a new file appears in Google Drive. Start this step by clicking the plus button again and adding any second app you wish to connect, like Slack, Dropbox, or Notion. Then configure how you want the file or its metadata to be moved across these platforms. Before going live with your scenario, it's important to test it. Click on Run once at the bottom left of Make, then go to Google Drive and add a file or execute any trigger action you set up. Observe as Make performs your scenario in real time to ensure everything works perfectly. Once testing confirms everything is running smoothly, you're ready to activate your scenario. Look for the scheduling button, represented by a clock icon at the bottom of the page. Click it and toggle scheduling to on. Decide the frequency of running your scenario, whether in real time, every 15 minutes, hourly, or another schedule that meets your needs. Congratulations, your Google Drive to Make automation is now live and working effortlessly.